I love the car, I love the brand, but I have a lot of pride, I have a lot of passion, and I have a lot of respect for my friends and colleagues that work in this factory. We're all one big team, and that's what makes me proud of working here at Bentley. My name is Jonathan O'Driscoll, and I'm very fortunate to show all our wonderful visitors from around the world around our lovely facility. So the tour would involve, I would meet and greet you here at CW1 House. Then we would move into this area, which is our Lineage Museum area. We'll get chauffeured across to the factory, and we would normally start off in the wood and leather departments. The smells, the colours, they're all around us. And then when you go into the main assembly build hall, you'll be amazed that there's only 2 robots in there. And a lot of the clients go, wow, I thought there was a lot more than this. This car really is hand craftsmanship. On occasions, we do go into a new area called ECVF, which is Excellence Centre for Vehicle Finish. That's a great area for my clients and visitors to view colours. We have a new area now called the Heritage Garage. From the very start in 1919, right the way through to present day. We basically have a great day out. I love meeting people. I'm very interested in what everyone does in life. You know, you might be a Bentley owner for the last 2 years, 3 years, 20 years, and you've never visited here. You see a different light on your car. The care, the pride, the passion that what goes into the car. It's not just a decision to make of what car I want next. It's also to reaffirm why you're in the Bentley brand.